Hello everyone, welcome to Prakash IT. So, as part of the today's video, we are going to cover MVC like a redirect. How we can, I have created the module, MVC redirect is the module. We are going to work on this redirect. How we can, while working on the MVC application, the web application, we are redirecting from one URL to another URL. I mean to say one view to another view. That kind of redirect we want to do. For example, whenever the user gives the login username and password, after the successful authentication, it should redirect to some particular page. So that kind of whenever we have that kind of application we want to develop, then in that case we can use the redirect. Okay, how we can use the redirect in case of Spring MVC? That means while designing the web application, that we are going to see as part of the today's video. Okay, so what I have done here is like I have created this module, right? MVC redirect. Okay, we are going to, as I have told, we are going to work on the annotation driven approach, right? So for that, I am just deleting whatever that is not necessary for the web app like annotation approach. So I'm going to just simply going to copy this config package, and this is the only one thing. Okay. This is the only one thing we just wanted. So I just paste all these things, right? So let me quickly create another package for the controller, that is let me create the controller package. See, this is the controller package I have created. So here what we want to develop here is like we will develop one student application, just a dummy application, right? This is the student application we are going to develop, where we will try to load the home page. Whenever the user gives the request, it should redirect to the home page, right? So in order to develop that, let me create student app controller. Okay, student app controller. This is the controller I have written, and in order to make this class as controller class, we have to annotate this as controller annotation. Okay, one that is done. Let me write one method public string, then uh, redirect. Okay, this is the method name I have written to redirect. So from this method we want to redirect into some particular view. Okay, in order to make this method that is accessible over a particular URL, so we are going to write a request mapping, or we will provide the URL and the method directly. What we can do, we can write, this is a get method, right? So get mapping also we can annotate, right? So here we will provide the URL. What is that URL? URL is nothing but home. Okay, so once we click like whatever the, okay, let me return the URL page, right? So here we will provide to which one it should redirect. Okay, so before that let me create the web app, webinf directory, that is views. Inside the views we will create the uh, display page, right? So in order to do that, what we can do, return we have to write, there are actually two ways by using which we can redirect to another uh, view or URL. Okay, so that is redirect, redirect, redirect colon redirect, right? Redirect colon, then if you want the relative URL, then you can use the slash. Otherwise what we will do, we will give what is that page, the URL name is home page, home page. Okay, so here we will try to this is not net banking, this is student app, student app slash home. Once we give the request student app slash home, then it will redirect that to home page. Okay, student homepage. Okay, we can make it student homepage also. We can do some URL, student app homepage. Okay, this is the student app homepage, student app homepage. So once it is redirect, so then we just wanted to display that. So for that, what we'll do, I will write public string, then student homepage. This is the method I have just taken, and here what I'm going to write return. Here what will do the display student homepage, that is the JSP page. Okay, so here I will create inside the views, let me create the JSP page, that is the student home page. So here inside the body I will write h1. Okay, welcome to student app homepage. Okay, so just a simple dummy message I just wanted to show. Okay, so whenever the user request for the particular student app slash home, then it will redirect to the student app home page. So here it will come to this page. This page here also we need to write get mapping. Okay, get mapping, and inside this path we have to provide this URL. Okay, student app home page, because we are redirecting to student app home page, it will redirect to this one. And what once it come to this method, then here what we are doing, we are returning the logical view. So this logical view, it will come to the view page and it will display whatever that is the content that is there, it will redirect. Okay, so simple. Let me deploy the application. Okay, run this one, and MVC redirect. If I go to this one, if this is the MVC redirect, okay, this is the one, and apply, then run. Now I am deploying the application onto the Tomcat server. Once that is deployed, then we'll try with our this one, right? So what is the thing, sir? Student app. Okay, we'll take. So application has been deployed, as you can see. So let me quickly go to this uh, browser, and let me try to hit slash student app, student app slash home, right? I think students app slash home we have given. Okay, once we have given, then you can see student app slash home we have given, but it is redirected to student app slash student app home page. That means it is redirecting to the another URL. So this is how we can redirect to the particular, whenever there is a necessity to redirect some particular page or particular resource, like particular URL, then like this we can redirect. Okay, so we have seen how to redirect. Okay, how to redirect from this particular URL to the particular another URL or another page. Okay, I can say. So this is one way I have explained. Okay, so now there is another way also there. We want to display like by using of some redirect view. We have already seen like how to redirect. Okay, now we'll see how to redirect by using the redirect view. Okay, the view option. So my intention is, like, I will write one public method public, and here instead of a string I will write redirect view. This redirect view is a class which will redirect to the particular page, right? So here I will write uh, department. Okay, get department. Okay, get department. department Get department is the method. Here inside this will what my intention here is, like, instead of this redirect colon like the URL name, what I want here is, like, I want it to redirect whatever the redirect view we just wanted to set. So for that, what we have to do, we have to create the redirect view object. Redirect view is equals to new redirect view. Once the object has been created, we have to set redirect view dot set what is the URL. So get department is the URL. So this URL it should redirect. Okay, then we'll return a redirect view. This will return. Okay, in order to get the method accessible, so what we are going to write, we are going to write get mapping, and URL should be get department. Get department, whenever the user will give the response, give the request with the student app slash get department, then it should redirect to the get department uh, get department home page. home page. Okay, once the get department it will it gives the request, then it should redirect to some URL get department home page. Okay, so here I'm going to write one method public string get department home page. So this is our method. uh, what I have written here is like simply what we will do, we will return from this method instead of redirecting the particular showing the like view page. What I am doing, I am going to write the response body so that the whatever the response we want to send, that it will return. Okay, that will display. So get mapping, and here we will specify the URL, that is get department homepage. Whenever the user gives the get department is a request, so what it will do, it will redirect to get department homepage. That means the this method. Then from this we should display one view, and inside the view whatever the logic we want we can write. But directly, instead of writing all these things, what I am doing, I am just annotating with the response body. So by using the response body, we just wanted to send the response direct into the onto the the browser, right? The who from which the browser we are giving the request. Okay, so simply we can return welcome to welcome to department homepage, not get department homepage, department homepage. Okay, department homepage. So let me explain you what we have written. So we have written whenever the user gives the request the student app slash get department, then it will redirect to the get department homepage. Once the get department is fired, it will respond this text message to the response body, means onto the browser. Okay, so let me run the application one more time, then we will deploy. Okay, as you can see, the application has been deployed. Let me go to the browser and let me try to give the request. Okay, so if I give the request is this one slash student app then what is the URL? The URL is get department. Okay, so if I try the get department, then it will redirect to this get department homepage, and this message this text we should see, right? Because we are not using any kind of view here. Okay, then slash this get department. So once I give the request, then we can see it is redirecting the get department homepage, and it is displaying the welcome to the department homepage. Okay, so I hope this redirect, how to redirect by using the two approach, right? Two approach I have shown you here. The first approach is like directly what we are doing when we are using the redirect colon the URL the name. Okay, this will from the context path, and whatever the URL we are providing here, that it will include. Otherwise, like the context path. So, but in case of the you want to use the relative URL, you have to provide the slash here. Okay, so what it will do, it will take the context path, then this student app homepage. Not, it will not consider the student app. Whatever the URL we are providing at the time of servlet dispatch or servlet configuration, right? You can try that. Okay. So and it will redirect to the this home page, and it will display according to the our view, whatever the student app home page view we have provided that. And in the second approach, what we have done here is like I have taken one simple method. I am annotating get department. So here instead of sending by redirected colon view like the URL, so I am creating the redirect view class object. Then I am setting whatever the URL we want to send, that we are providing here. This is the URL. So once that we set, it will redirect to this method. Here we are using the response body. Instead of creating the view, we are sending the response. This is the text message we are sending onto the browser. Okay, so this is the steps we are doing. Okay, so I hope like this redirect in Spring MVC, how to redirect, that is clear to you people. Okay, so that's all for this video. In the next class we will come up with a new video. Okay, thank you.